Let's explore testing strategies for applications using MongoDB databases. This presentation will cover various techniques to ensure the reliability and correctness of your MongoDB interactions. Here's an overview of the key testing strategies we'll be discussing. First, unit testing, which involves testing individual components in isolation, using mocks for database interactions. Second, integration testing, where you test the application with actual MongoDB connections and real data operations. Third, test containers, using isolated MongoDB instances for consistent testing environments. Finally, data management, which includes fixture handling, cleanup, and effective test data strategies. Let's dive into unit testing with mocks. This method involves isolating individual components of your application and simulating their interactions with the MongoDB database. In this example, you can see how we're using the unitus.mock library to mock the MongoDB collection. The key benefits of unit testing are fast execution speed because there are no real database calls, no database dependencies as interactions are simulated, isolated component testing, allowing you to focus on specific parts of your application, predictable test outcomes as you control the mocked responses. Finally, easy continuous integration and continuous delivery integration because the tests are self-contained. Integration testing involves testing your application's interaction with a real MongoDB database. This provides a more realistic assessment of how your application will behave in a production-like environment. Here's an example of how you might set up an integration test, connecting to a test database, inserting data, and verifying that the insertion was successful. The advantage of integration testing is that it tests actual database operations, schema validation, and data integrity with live MongoDB instances. Test containers provide isolated and consistent MongoDB environments for testing. Using Docker, you can spin up a MongoDB container specifically for your tests, ensuring a clean and consistent state every time. Here's an example using the test containers library to create a MongoDB container. The main benefits of test containers are an isolated test environment, a consistent MongoDB version, automatic cleanup after tests, and no local dependencies as everything is containerized. Effective test data management is crucial for reliable testing. This involves setting up your database with known data before each test and cleaning up afterward to ensure isolation. Here's an example of the setup and teardown pattern for managing test data. Key data patterns includes fixture loading before tests, automatic cleanup after tests, a fresh state for each test, and minimal test datasets to keep the tests focused and fast. For ultra-fast testing, consider using an in-memory MongoDB instance. This eliminates the overhead of disk I/O, making your tests run much faster. Here's an example of how to set up an in-memory MongoDB server using the Mongo Memory Server library. The main benefit is that in-memory MongoDB instances provide lightning-fast test execution without file system dependencies. Testing your schema validation rules is essential to ensure data integrity. MongoDB allows you to define schema validation rules, and you should test that these rules are enforced correctly. Here's an example of how to test schema validation, specifically testing that invalid data is rejected. A good test coverage includes required field validation, data type enforcement, field length constraints, and custom validation rules. Performance testing helps you identify and address performance bottlenecks in your application's interaction with MongoDB. This involves measuring key metrics like query execution time and memory usage. Here's an example of a query performance test, measuring the time it takes to execute a query. The key metrics to consider are query execution time, memory usage patterns, index utilization, and throughput benchmarks. Let's recap some best practices for testing with MongoDB. First, test isolation. Ensure each test runs independently with a fresh data state and proper cleanup mechanisms. Second, fast feedback. Prioritize fast unit tests with mocks while maintaining comprehensive integration test coverage. Third, realistic data. Use production-like test data that covers edge cases in real-world scenarios. Finally, continuous integration and continuous delivery integration. Automate your testing pipeline with containerized MongoDB instances for consistent environments. By following these practices, you can build confidence in your MongoDB applications through comprehensive testing strategies. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.